Ano? Ah, sige. Paganda mo lang da, pack up lang. Tara, let's! Asa mo ka, pre? Pagasolina ka, pre? Change oil.
Earlier that day.
Pagkatapos ng laro namin, may Taiwanese friend kami na isang chef at gumagawa ng mga fruit juices. Papatikim daw niya at bibigyan niya ako ngayon. Saktong-sakto to, malamig na at healthy pa. Tara, kitain natin sa labas. May kitain tayo ng Taiwanese friend dyan sa labas. Oh, limutan ko. Bigyan ko pala siya ng mangga. Kasabay din. What up, Pete? You're buying some water? Because you will give me some drink. What's this? Fruit?
Some kind of prawn.
You make this one? You make this one?
Yeah.
Wow.
And because I only have this
Oh.
in my refrigerator, and when I have extra like
What-
pineapple juice,
What kind of fruit is this again?
I don't know, some kind of prawn. They are all natural.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye. Thank you so much.
Nice.
Ano? Ah, sige. Paganda mo lang da, pack up lang. Hi. Oh, thumbnail sa thumbnail. Gimana na? How's your experience, sir? Salamat ka sa sponsor nato sa e-bike. Salamat ba?
Thank you for the love.
Thank you for the love. Ito na po, pre. Pwede naman yan. Isarado siya. Ay, ipagawas lang. Sige, okay na. Sige, enjoy ito, amping. Buyers. Ito na mo, pre. Pagasolina ka, pre? Change oil.